The food truck model is more exciting than ever now that we're in 2024. Have you ever considered the idea of starting a food truck business? Just think of the liberty to take your cooking talents on the move, serving your mouth-watering dishes wherever crowds assemble. The food industry is in a period of rapid growth, and food trucks provide a flexible, dynamic approach to tap into this flourishing market. If your own food business has been a part of your dreams, initiating with a food truck could be an ideal beginning. The first step in starting a food truck business is creating a comprehensive business plan. This isn't just a document, it's your roadmap to success. It's where you'll detail your budget, defining your financial blueprint. Be realistic about your costs and potential earnings. Next, pinpoint your location. Where you park your truck matters, and your choice should be based on thorough market research. Staffing is another crucial aspect. You'll need a reliable team to keep your food truck running smoothly. Branding too can't be overlooked. It's what sets you apart in a bustling food truck scene. So create a unique and appealing brand identity. Lastly, don't forget about permits. These are your legal ticket to operate. Each city has its own set of rules, so make sure you're familiar with your local regulations. With a solid business plan in place, you're already on the path to success. Once your plan is in place, it's time to invest in essential equipment. Now let's talk about the heart of your food truck, the kitchen. This is where all the magic happens. A reliable fridge and freezer are non-negotiables. They keep your ingredients fresh and your beverages cold. An efficient oven, on the other hand, ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. But it's not just about food preparation. Health and safety equipment are equally crucial. Fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and sanitation stations are just a few examples. They're not only required by law, but they also protect you, your staff, and your customers. Remember, quality is key. Investing in top-notch equipment might seem expensive at first, but it will save you money in the long run by reducing maintenance costs and preventing downtime. Investing in the right equipment will set you up for success in your food truck business. A great food truck isn't enough. You'll need a strong marketing strategy to get customers through the door. Let's start with setting a marketing budget. It's crucial to allocate funds for marketing, as it's the lifeblood of your business. Remember, every dollar spent on marketing should be seen as an investment in your food truck's growth. Next, get creative with your campaigns. Think outside the box. Host a launch party, collaborate with local businesses, or create a loyalty program. The more innovative you are, the more you'll stand out. Networking is also key. Attend local events, join food truck associations, and connect with other entrepreneurs. You'll gain visibility, make connections, and learn from others in the industry. Finally, stay up to date with food truck trends. Track what's popular, what's fading, and what's on the horizon. This will help you adapt and keep your menu fresh and appealing. With a powerful marketing strategy, your food truck can become a local favorite. Accidents happen, and when they do, it's important to be prepared. Now let's delve into the world of food truck insurance. This essential safety net is crucial to protect your business from the unexpected. Think about it. Your food truck isn't just a vehicle, it's your kitchen, your store, your livelihood. Accidents, incidents, theft. These all carry potential financial impacts that could be catastrophic for your business. Imagine a minor kitchen fire damaging your equipment, or a customer claiming food poisoning. Without insurance, you could face daunting costs that could cripple your business. Even a simple fender bender can result in expensive repairs and lost business days, but with the right coverage, you're protected. You can recover and continue serving your delicious meals without draining your savings. You see, insurance isn't just about managing risk, it's about freeing you to focus on your passion, creating mouth-watering food. Food truck insurance is a small price to pay for peace of mind. Starting a food truck business can be expensive, but there are financing options available to help. When it comes to managing high startup costs, preparation is key. Your initial investments will go towards a truck purchase, securing permits, insurance, and marketing expenses, among others. First, consider traditional bank loans. These typically offer lower interest rates, but they require a solid business plan and good credit history. If that's not an option, look into microloans, which are smaller loans typically used for startups. Next, there's crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe allow you to raise money from the general public. It's a great way to not only secure funds but also to generate interest in your business. Finally, there are grants. Grants are essentially free money, but they can be highly competitive. Remember, understanding the financial commitment before getting started is crucial. It's not just about making money but managing it wisely. With the right financing, your food truck dream can become a reality. In today's digital age, AI can play a pivotal role in the success of your food truck business. Imagine a world where you can streamline your operations and maximize your profits with the help of artificial intelligence. That's not just a sci-fi dream, but a reality within your grasp. Consider ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI from OpenAI. It can revolutionize your marketing and sales efforts, creating personalized interactions with your customers. Imagine an AI that can answer customer queries, take orders, and even suggest menu items based on customer preferences, all while you focus on delivering delectable dishes. But it's not just about customer interaction. AI can also help with inventory management, predicting what ingredients you'll need based on historical data and future orders. This can reduce food waste and ensure you never run out of your best-selling items. And what about sales? AI can analyze patterns and trends, helping you optimize your menu and pricing for maximum profit. It can even suggest the best locations and times to set up shop based on foot traffic and demographic data. The potential benefits and efficiency AI can bring to your operations are immense. It's like having a tireless assistant working round the clock to ensure your food truck business runs smoothly. So, why wait? The future of the food truck business is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace the future, and let AI take your food truck business to new heights.